going on, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to work on Don. Would to get back to my stuff, but Don's got issues. I'm curious about him. I want to get it figured out. So when you drive this truck, you start to build boost. And it comes on. You get to about 30 pounds, maybe 32 pounds. And all of a sudden it just dumps it. Dumps it right back to down to the teens. You know, you stay in it wide open and it just never comes back. So we're going to do a couple of things to this truck today. A couple things that haven't been done in a long time. We're going to clean the air filter, change fuel filters. I think we put the air dog on this truck probably like 2 years ago. And those fuel filters have never been changed. So we're going to do that. We're going to clean the air filter. But most importantly, I want to put my boost leak check kit on it. A nice Lyle boost. I don't even know what to call it. Got a nice kit to check boost leaks. I want to do that, see if he's got a leak. I have my suspicions, but we'll get into that later. So before we start to work on it, I want to take you guys for a ride so you can watch his monitor and see what's going on. I need to get this junk out of the way though, so hang tight. I want to get you guys set up here to look at the monitor. Before I get you guys set up, I want to go over a couple things I want you guys to look at. You might have to go through, rewind it, watch it a couple times, because I'm still scratching my head, and any feedback I can get from you guys, greatly appreciated. But it's just, things don't quite add up. But let me go over the gauges with you. So what you're gonna see is you have intake air temp, which really shouldn't matter right now. That's one to watch. That's your throttle pedal position, and that one's important. I put that one up there for you guys because I want you guys to see or reference the throttle position to what's going on with the rest of the data. Engine RPM, EGTs right there, that's your boost. Coolant temp, barometer, we're at sea level 14.7, that's normal. And fuel rail pressure might be another fun one to watch. Now the one thing I will say before you guys see the pole or see what happens, I want you guys to know one thing. When boost drops, the truck doesn't get smoky. And if I remember right, you guys will have to watch. I don't think it drops fuel rail pressure. So to me, that's telling me it's not a fuel supply issue. But let's give it a rip. I want you guys to watch that, and I want you guys to let me know what you think. hope you guys go back, watch that run a couple times. Just watch it, look at the data, and let me know what doesn't add up to you, because there's a lot of things that don't add up to me. Now, I will say, what we're doing today might not actually fix the problem, but what we're gonna do today is actually going to start with the most common and easy thing first, and that is air and fuel. The two main things, other than combustion and all the other jazz, but the two main things you need for a diesel engine to perform and perform well is a lot of air and a lot of fuel. So, like I said before, we're gonna get started. We're gonna pull this air filter out. We're gonna clean it. It's an S&B. And then for fuel filters, this truck's got an air dog on it, a 165 4G. So we have the spin-on filters for that. We're gonna go ahead and change those. But most importantly, the thing I want to know today is, do we have a boost leak? Are we fighting a boost leak we can't hear? So let's get started. Let's figure this out. Just a quick FYI for you guys, a little side note. AirDog 4G 165 lift pump, Napa 3616 3420. I do a lot of searching to figure out those two filter numbers worked. Nobody really came out and said it, but that's it. Those are the two filters. If you don't want to buy the AirDog specific filters, there you go. Now we can get to the fun part. The air cleaner is drying. Fuel filters are done. You guys saw that. Give you guys the numbers on that. Now it's the fun part. Now I want to boost leak this thing. This is the kit we're using. This is a Lyle kit. Turbo air system test kit with smoke adapter. Look at that shit. There's part number if you want one. This does in fact go big enough to do these Dodge trucks. Dodge trucks have quite a bit bigger boots than some of the other ones I've seen. So this is a good, well-rounded kit. You could probably do anything you want to do with it. If you guys remember, or if you've seen the video, I might even put the link to that video at the end when I tested the Turbo Smart blow-off valve in my truck to see if it was leaking or if we can make it leak. That one ended in bruises. That was the last time I used this kit. So this could get interesting. I want to show you guys how I'm going to do it though, because we're going to climb up here and I'm going to test from here to down there, which would be the charge side of the turbo. I'm going to take this intake horn off, or intake elbow off, so I can get down to that boot. I'm going to plug that boot. I'm going to come back up here. I'm going to take this one off, and I will put the pressure adapter on this side since we have more room, and probably pump it up to about, well, where you saw the failure load. I'll try to pump the whole system up, which would be charge pipes, an intercooler. Pump those up to about probably where they're failing, 32, 34 pounds. See what we can do. Maybe even go above that a little bit. Definitely not looking forward to more bruises from this kit, but I do want to know that at least the intercooler and the charge pipes are good. If they're not good, then we know what we got going on. But that's what I want to test. Oh, and also a fun fact: this throttle valve, or the intake, I don't even know what you want to call it. It's just it's a butterfly valve in there. Some intake air control valve of some sort. Anyway, gutted that a long time ago, so there's no throttle blade in this anymore. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get this all hooked up, all done, bring you guys back. This is it's not that bad really, not that hard to do. If I remember right, don't want to look like an ass, but I do believe, yep, still 7/16 on the clamps. Those T-bolt style clamps, 7/16, 11mm, and then yeah, pretty easy, pretty simple. So let's get it put together. Now that we got everything hooked up, start feeding in the boost. So last time, I know I keep talking about last time, I decided to go way too crazy with this. Let's see, you guys. Start feeding a little bit in. There's 10 pounds. And I already hear an issue. I'll be damned. Hear that? I think we found the problem. Oh, I'll have to eat my words. I'll have to eat my words on that one a little bit because I did not expect it to be a boost leak. So I don't have any boots. At one point in time, I had boots. At this point in time, I don't have boots. Dang it. This is where I keep all my old parts. I did a full boot kit on my truck, my white truck. So I had all the old boots, but I think I must have given those up. Dang it. Okay. No worries. No problem. Because you know why? We can fix it. Here's what we're going to do. I'm actually really happy that's a boost leak. I didn't hear that at all driving the truck. So that's good. But this is going to be perfect way to end the video because I don't tell you guys this often, but I have a few affiliate links down in the description of the video below. One of those links is IBuildMyDiesel.com. I need to get better about it, I guess, reminding you guys, telling you guys it's there. But on IBuildMyDiesel.com, if you click on the link or use my code at checkout, any order over $250, you get $50 in free apparel. It's, free stuff's free stuff. I don't mind it. I think it's cool. I think it's a cool deal. Now, if you go to use it, here's how you use it, because I've had a few. It's not confusing, but if you don't know, you don't know. So when you go and you put your order in, if your part total is over $250, you put, I think it's either Cargill or Cargill 50 in the discount code, and it takes $50 off of apparel. Now, in order for that to work, you have to load your cart with the apparel, like hats, shirts, sweatshirts, whatever it have you, and then use that code. It'll apply that $50 to the apparel in the cart. Now, I will say, maybe as things go on, maybe I'll get you guys some percentages off of your purchases. But for now, I'm doing the best I can, trying to get you guys hooked up. So go check them out. If you go on their website and you don't find what you're looking for, message them. Without you guys or us, the consumer, telling them what we want on their website, they can't put it on the website. If they can't put it on the website, we can't get it, right? So let them know if you don't find what you're looking for, or you can't find what you're looking for on their website. Message them, let them know. A lot of things they sell are not on the website. So anyway, long story short, you don't find it, message them, let them know, they'll get it for you. But I'm going to track down some boots for this. I don't think it's going to happen today, so I'm going to leave you guys kind of on a cliffhanger. And when I get everything, we're going to get back on this and get it fixed. If you want to keep up on this or anything else I'm doing, always subscribe to the channel. That's another thing. I'm not a big beggar. I'm not a big, I know a lot of channels like to really push that. Like, subscribe, and all this stuff. My thinking is, if you like what's going on, you'll do it. You'll subscribe, you'll like the videos, whatnot. But I will tell you guys this, it helps out the channel a lot when you guys subscribe and like the videos and comment. Let me know what's going on. Let me know what you guys think about this whole process. So if you guys wouldn't mind doing that, that'd be cool. But yeah, that's where I'm gonna leave this today. Actually, on a high note. I was expecting the worst, honestly. I was expecting that to come back, not find any leaks, come back, try to get my hands on a scanner and watch actual and desired vane position in the turbo, because to me it was very weird how it was just dropping off. But yeah, that's where I'm leaving you guys. We're gonna get a boot kit for this. I'm gonna get it ordered, and then when that comes in, we will show you guys how to install a full boot kit. You might even, I don't know, depends on what Don wants to do, you might even change the pipe. So a lot of times on these Dodges 6.7s, I don't know about the 5.9 stuff, but I know particularly late third and up, the cold side of the intercooler is plastic. That charge pipe's plastic. So we might talk to Don about it, see how far he wants to go. I know we're going to do a full boot kit. We might even do a metal cold side pipe just to make things happy, because those plastic charge pipes will crack. I wasn't expecting that this time, because from everything I've seen and been around, when those crack, they whistle. So anyway, I'm not going to drag you guys on any longer. Actually really excited about this, but don't forget to check out those guys. I Build My Diesel, working on some other things on behind the camera, trying to get you guys discounts on parts, trying to get you guys cool stuff. So with that being said, see you on the next one, and thanks for watching. End quote.